Now he said he was smoking and making diseases. What happens when you remove the bread?
This one. Wow. Okay.
Ako din.
Wow! Ang dami ah. Ang daming car ah.
Anak ko, ikaw may jubal si ate. Ta. Ikaw may ta. Wow! Uy! Ta. Sige, ako yan. Okay. Oh!
Ang daming gate.
Wow! Isa na yan.
Wow!
Oh, what's that? Oh, so baby, ito naman. Ano ulit siya? Wow! Ay, yung gusto niya, di ba? Ano lang nilagyan ka? Oh, you like it? Ano? Ito pa. Wow! Okay. Wow!
Lego?
Lego! Ito man na Lego.
Cute eh.
Wow!